Good. Birds right there. 10 yards away. Good. Good boy. Good boy. You heard me, I gave him a little at first, but the goal is for him to, by the time he goes home, to not have to say anything to him. He points, he holds till the bird's up, and he doesn't chase the bird. That's the whole point behind this board and train. And we are there. So, very happy with the results we've got so far. I'm loving this new collar, this Dogtra 1900X here. This thing is fantastic. Wind wasn't quite right for this one. He's kind of on top of this bird. Not too close, but closer than I'd like. He just smells. There, yeah, he's gonna move. He's not on it. There we go. Happy with that. He's gonna point. It's been a real hunting situation right now. I'm getting people ready for the shot. I'm telling my friend to go to the right, somebody go to the left. We're surrounding this bird. He's still pointing it and pinning it down. Gives us time to walk up, do what we have to do and get ready. I'm gonna walk up. I'm gonna flush the bird. He's not gonna chase. Good boy. Good boy, Duke. He has graduated from his program here. Very well. Good boy, Duke. Very good boy. Daddy gonna be proud of you. We'll let him run around and have some more fun for a little bit.